Hello everyone, welcome back to my trading platform. I'll be showing you guys how to trade conveniently and at least to some extent make 70% profitable trade. Now, one of the first thing you will do, you want to keep these three things in mind. One of them, you want to apply common sense. Another one, you want to try and know this analysis we call the support and resistance level. And lastly, you want to know how to apply a tool that will help you to trade using the support and resistance level. So, what is support and resistance level? I won't waste much of your time. If you Google it, you will see that when the market goes up, the point here is called the resistance level. And when it comes down, the point here is called the support level. So when it goes up, you can place a trade for down, you will make money. And if you place a trade here going up, you will still make money. So that is the pattern. This pattern and some other patterns are what likely we may look for in a market. It might be this one, it might be any other one. So let's go back to our trading platform and see how we could apply these tools. One of the tools that can help us to spot a good support and resistance level is called, on the oscillator section, is called the RSI. Now that I'll be trading on this market, I want to use the RSI. I'll just come and today I'll be using $50. As you can see, I'll be using $50 throughout today. $50. So I'll be using $50 and I'll be trading for either 1 or 2 minutes. I'll be trading for 2 minutes because I'm on a 1 minute chart frame. I'll look for market that has up and down, series of up and down. That is what I'll look for. So I'll just go to my favorite market. As you can see, I have so many favorite markets. There are more than 10. I look for good market that has good up and down, movement. That is what I'll look for. I'll keep searching. There's no worry on this one. You can see this one has little upward and downward movement. As you can see, look at the lines. You can see the little zigzag here. To some extent, this one will come down briefly. But for how long? Let me just say for 2 minutes. This one I'm doing now is called common sense. That is one thing. I apply common sense, trying to look at the market from a long-term perspective. I look at the RSI, I think it will still go down. I take a trade for 2 minutes going down. And same thing applies here. You can see if I should put an RSI indicator here, you can see the market is already on the top. You can see a curve on this section, so showing that likely the market will go down at some point. And if I put that one there, thinking it will go down at some point, I will come and trade for 2 minutes. You can see red candles are forming already, so let me just say 2 minutes to go down. So let's wait for a result and see how it goes. Okay, you can see that we actually won this trade here. This is the whole analysis for 2 minutes. So I had a little software glitch, so I could not record the whole section. But the market is still going down, so likely I'll just keep going down. You can see we also won this one here. This one is a win for us on the commodity composite, going down for 2 minutes. So went down again here for 2 minutes. Now, there are reasons why I trade for 2 minutes. So that even if the market should go up, it will have enough time to correct itself and come down. This market is still falling down, so I may even decide to go down again for 2 minutes, or even go down again for 2 minutes, or go down again for 3 minutes. This is a good confidence level because I spot a market that is going up and coming down. Like I said, this one, when you're trading, you want to apply common sense. That is one thing. You just don't want to assume. You want to apply common sense. Do that one, you make so much money using the upward and downward level with the assistance of the RSI. So look for market that is going up and that is coming down. When you see a formation like this, in most cases, if you trade downward for 2 minutes, you will have so many wins. You can see I'll be going down sometime 1 minute, 2 minutes, and so on and so forth. So at the end of today, at the end of this trade, I will take a break, and I believe to some extent I've made close to 300,000 at the moment. So let's wait for this result. I hope my software will not switch off this time. I want you guys to see how the trade manifests, because we have assumed it has went up and is now coming down. Definitely it will get to a point like this. You can see on the RSI, and it may begin to curve again. So before it begins to curve again, we want to hit all we can and ensure we are on profit. So Commodity composite is on profit, and the euro composite is on profit, as you can see. So let's go back to commodity composite. Sorry, that is a mistake. So let's keep waiting, and let's keep waiting. The the euro composite is left with 7 seconds, as you can see, and definitely that is a win for us. That is a win for us. You can see my account balance was around 2,000, and we're having 2,000 plus. Let's check the commodity composite. We have a few seconds left to go. So that is how you trade. You can see the market is about to go up too. You can say this one is an upward and downward, and likely I would want to go up for just 2 minutes, but I'm not certain. I'm not too confident, so I'll reduce the money to $5. Yeah, and trade upward for just $5. That is it. You can see 13 profitable trades today, and the only one total is 14. The only one I lost was the Arabian index. So that is what I do in the morning. I apply common sense, ROSI, and I watch the market. So like I said, if you apply those 3 tips I just mentioned, you'll make a lot of money. You can see the market at this particular point, we know that yes, we are on profit. So you can even switch to seconds to see if you have good chances of still, you can see it's going close to the same place. You can see it has been forming well on the seconds, going down, coming up, going down, and definitely when it gets to a point again around this place, it will keep going down. So I may just wait and see. Is around this point now. When red candles start forming, I will make more money. This one is still falling, though we are on a 5-minute chart frame. So I will still just go back to this one. I still want to make more money. You can see we've taken 14 trades, and we're still looking for, the market present more opportunity to keep going down even with $50. And let's see how the market will be from here. So I'll take one more trade, and let's see, and let's close it. As like I tell you, using the RSI to spot a curve. You can see a curve is already forming, and when the red candles forming and this curve is very clear, you take one trade going down for 2 minutes. This is one of the way to make money. Look for upward and downward market. So you can still search for one market that has the upward and downward section pattern. So I will keep searching. If I see any markets, I'll keep you guys updated before the end of the video. Now, as you can see, we are having red candles forming, and there's a curve on the RSI. So I'll just go down for 2 minutes. I like going down for 2 minutes, so that even when the market should go up, in the long run, likely we will have red candles forming. So this is me going down for 2 minutes. So I'll go and check this. You can see on the seconds time frame, the market is already falling down. So I'll just stick to the 2 minutes. After this one, I'll call it a day. And I wish you guys all the best. Remember, look for a market that goes up and comes down, that applies this rule, applies the support, and resistance level. A market that goes down like this, either in a slanty format or in a straight format. If you can do that one, definitely you have so much money to make from the trading platform. Let's wait for this result. At the end of this result, we call it a day. I wish you guys all the best. There's so much money to make. Apply common sense. Look for a simple oscillator like the RSI, and find only market that goes up and comes down. And trust me, we'll now go make money. So we are almost through. You can see we have 6 seconds left to go, and we hope that this trade will go our way. And yes, that is a win for that. That was a narrow escape. You can see that was a narrow escape there. And with this one, I call it a day. I wish you guys all the best. If I keep trading downward for 2 minutes, trust me, I'll make a lot of money. So that is how you trade. Apply common sense, RSI, symbol, oscillator, and you guys will do good.